This is going down. Okay, so we're in the middle of lockdown and I've had a spontaneous decision to change my hair colour again. So we have 4 boxes of hair colour remover, also a honey blonde hair toner. I am going to be removing my hair colour and turning it back to a natural colour of hair. As much as I've loved having vivid, bright, multicolored hair, I just feel like I want to rock some natural. I think it's been like 15 years that I haven't seen my natural colour, and you can already see my roots are growing out, and I'm really surprised actually at how dark my natural colour is. I'm just gonna remove what's on my hair at the moment. We should have a really nice base colour of bleach blonde underneath. All goes good with the hair colour remover, so I'm gonna put this on my hair now. Hopefully it'll work and we should be blonde by the end of this video. Once that's done, I'm gonna put in some extensions, put in some more dreadlocks, and I'm gonna be rocking that. So this is what my hair looks like before. Got a bit of rootage going on. I've got the turquoise. This is faded aquamarine from Arctic Fox, and then this is purple rain. So the purple rain is being a little bit more stubborn to get out. I've washed my hair 3 times. I even tried using bicarbonate soda with some dish soap. Only lightened it probably about a shade or 2, so we're just gonna use this. Hopefully I don't get it on the wall. Right. Okay. Wish me luck. That was a job getting it in the bowl. Okay, let's give it a shake. We also have the conditioner and we have the buffer. So use the buffer like a shampoo. Got to shampoo it twice, rinse that out, and then put the conditioner on. So this goes on for 45 minutes. Oh my god, I just hope the dreadlocks don't mess up, because I've spent the last few days brushing out all the ends of my dreadlocks. So there's like 20 dreads that I ended up brushing out, so pretty much like halfway. So I just hope that the hair colour remover works on those. Like where my undercut used to be, it's all dreaded up. I'm going to add a few more rows of dreads when I get it the hair colour that I really wish to have. Okay, alright, now we just put it on our hair and see what happens. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh. Ooh, don't waste it. I want to go over what's left in the bottle. Hopefully I've got all of them. I don't think I've got all of it. I might even just open another box. So we've done 2 boxes just to make sure I've got every single bit. So I think it's already starting to change colour, which is good. I'm going to wrap it up in some cling film and leave it on my head for 45 minutes. Now we wait. Okay, so I've got 10 minutes left for the processing time, and I can see that the blue is faded a bit, but the purple has turned blue. So it's a good thing I got more boxes, because I think I'm going to have to do one more round using another box just to lift the blue that the purple has gone. It's gone quite a dark blue. Look at this. Whoa. If you guys watched one of my other videos where I use a hair colour remover, I think it was on blue and it went purple. So this one's purple and it goes blue. Like, it's very interesting. One more box, got the rest of the colour out and it went blonde. So this is a very long process, but I know I'll get there eventually. I just have to stay patient and use some more. So it's definitely not a cheap process either. So I don't expect this to happen overnight. I think I'll probably end up doing it again later. I mean, it's definitely faded a lot. I just hope it just wash out in the shower a lot more than this, because it's crazy how it worked so well last time. It just went like white blonde within one use, but okay. I'm going with the flow. We will see, we will see. Okay, so this is the results from the first batch of hair color remover. I think it worked pretty good. The purple is being so stubborn, so I think we're gonna have to do it one more time. I've got 2 boxes left of the hair color remover, so hopefully that is going to be enough for it to get completely blonde. But the roots lifted up quite good. I'm not wearing any makeup, so ignore that. So the dreadlocks, they faded as well towards the root. So everything that was the aquamarine, that faded. So it's definitely a pastel colour. So the purple has gone dark blue on the ends of the dreads, but they still feel good condition. So I did follow the instructions that came with the hair colour remover, so always follow the instructions for the product. It did work really well, considering there was probably about 4 layers of hair dye on my hair. So okay, so I'm going to finish my hair tomorrow morning. I'm just going to give my head a rest because I did have to shampoo it twice and my scalp was like, yeah, just do it tomorrow. Do another batch of the hair colour remover. I'm going to use 1 box and yeah, hopefully we'll be even more blonde. And if that doesn't work, then we have 1 more. Okay, so it's the same day. I'm impatient and I can't be bothered to wait until tomorrow because I just want to get it done. My hair feels fine. I don't want to have like really sore, sensitive scalp by the end of this, but I have a feeling that it's going to be okay and I'm going to do it anyway. Just trying to get my hair as dry as possible before putting on the next batch. But it really has lightened up so much. I feel like it's getting lighter, but maybe 1 more box. I really hope I don't have to do this again. My hair still smells from the last batch. Ugh. Maybe there was just so much build up on my hair before that it had to kind of strip that top layer, and now it's finally going to penetrate the hair better, so the product will work. I don't know. Okay, so this is the second round of hair colour remover and this is what it's turned out like. It's not blonde. I mean, the roots have definitely gone a pastel shade and the ends is blue. I don't know why it worked so well last time I used this product, but this time there seems to be a lot more layers of hair dye. Okay, so I have 1 more box of hair colour remover left because on the first round I used 2 boxes. The second round didn't do too much, but it's definitely lighter, so I've got 1 more box of hair colour remover left. I don't think I'm going to be using this again. Anyway, not for a while. I think the next thing that I'm gonna do to my hair, I'm gonna just do a bleach bath, so mixing up peroxide with some bleach powder and mix it with some shampoo and some water and place that on my hair for a few minutes. So I definitely underestimated how long this whole process is gonna take, but we're getting there, guys. We're definitely getting there. I mean, I don't want to put the bleach on my hair, and I don't know if you guys have ever used hair colour remover before, but if you do it a certain way, if you do the bleach after using hair colour remover, I found like my hair actually went blue again and it re-oxidized. So hopefully it stays this light tomorrow morning and it doesn't re-oxidize and it will just be a waste of time. Okay, so the hair journey continues. I've got 2 boxes of hair colour remover. I'm going to try this brand instead, see if it works any better to get the last little bits of blue out of my hair. Then we're going to try the new Tresemme Hemp Conditioner Shampoo. And I've got Head and Shoulders Coconut. And we're going to try this as well. Hello, so I'm back and it's been about 4 days since I've done the hair colour remover. And I'm going to be doing some more hair colour remover, but this time I'm going to be using a different brand. So this is Colour Before. Obviously it's ammonia and bleach free, and I remember having quite good results using this over blonde blue hair, so we're going to give it a go. I've got 2 boxes of this and I'm going to see if it works. So I'm just going to mix up the bottles together, mix A and B together, and then whack it on my hair. Got to leave it on my hair for an hour, 60 minutes. So I'm excited, I'm excited. I know this one definitely turned the pastel blue hair I had a few years ago into a beautiful icy white blonde. So I'm feeling hopeful. I was hopeful before, but it's just taking so long. Pray for me. Okay, so this is the result from doing the hair colour remover 3 times. Yeah. So I'm going to do it one more time and hopefully it will go blonde. Going to be enough doing one more box. I have 1 more box of Revolution Pro Hair Colour Remover, if not, and then I'm just going to stop. So let's do this. The dreadlocks though, they are still darker, so I'm going to apply the hair colour remover onto the dreads to see if they will lighten up a little bit more as well. One more box and then we're done. No more. Six boxes of hair colour remover later, and we have this. I think purple shampoo should help get the rest. Yeah, that was a journey. I don't even know which one worked better because they were about the same. They're from the same brand, but it says you can do up to 3 boxes in 1 day.